How you going, YouTube? Today we're off on Koh Samui, HIN LAD Waterfall, which is near Nathan. I wish I had read the map because this was way out of my league. Took me that long to walk there, and yeah, it was worth it, but man, you'll see what happens.
What a gap. We're off to another waterfall. This is the HIN LAD Waterfall. I don't know what the relevance of that is. I would say that's Japan. Wow. Well, I didn't think it was going to be this. It's pretty cool. I'll take my helmet off. It's just a pond, a shop, a restaurant, and random dogs, of course. Customary to waterfalls is lots of stairs, so sounds good to me. You can read all that later. I'm not reading it to you, but let's look what's over here first. Well, that's the restaurant because I can smell it from here. You're running water. Don't you just love them? Wow. Somebody's house. Maybe I took a wrong turn. Didn't say how far it was. Well, not that I read anyway. Just keep walking. What's the worst could happen? We get lost. Well, there was a man just back there, wasn't there? Alright, so it's sort of... This is it? No, couldn't be. Oh, maybe over there. There's no real defined track, but that'll do. This would be the time for water to be here. It's the monsoon season, so okay, some natural stairs. Got some artificial stairs over there. Some people will get that joke. Alright, I can see people. Not too bad. I know what you're worried about. Thinking, you know what come in handy right now? One of those big fucking elephants. And right on that up here. Because I've been fucking walking for a little while. And just get an elephant, carry 3 or 4 of us up here at a time. He wouldn't care. Alright, so where, like, do we go up there? Oh, there's a rope there. What happened here? Who knows? I don't know the answer. If you've got a wheelchair, you're probably fucked. You're not coming up here. Just saying. There's no chance. There's no wheelchair access. Putting that out there for people, and no shopping. If you want to buy shit up here, got that shopping urge. Well, stiff shit. Oh, that's an interesting plant. Leaping out at me. Now I'm a fucking botanist. So there it is. There's the... No, I guess that's not the waterfall, is it? It's fucking jungly though. Keep on going. I'll turn it off. So let you know when I get there. Well, or if something else eventuates, like a fucking orangutan jumps out or something. If you ever wanted to be in the jungle, this would be it. Pretty. Had no mention of this, not that I read. I've been going for a little while. But doing alright. Burning the legs, pretty good. I want to know the story. This house thing up here. One, how the fuck did you build this up here? Two, why? I don't know. And I only passed, what, there's about 5 people. I think they were German people. They're not the happiest people around, but yeah, different. But I can see an opening down here. So I think the climbing part of it, we're over the worst of it. And I must mention I'm working on painkillers today because I injured me back a few weeks ago. And believe it or not, every time it fucks up, put ice on it and it comes back. So it's obviously inflamed discs or whatever. And where's all the fucking water? But yeah, back to what I said earlier. It is free to get in here. So far, costs nothing. But I think they should just add elephant tracking rides in here. I don't want to fucking walk all this way all the time. You know, charge like 200 baht to ride on the. You know, you'd open this up a bit, just fucking bring a bulldozer through and smash most of that that jungle, and I reckon it'd be really cool. At this rate, I'll be taking forever to walk there. But I'm just thinking snakes and shit. Have a look at that old tree. It's pretty damn big, to say the least. But yeah, I'm looking for snakes and shit. Not a fucking. I know what you're thinking. Wow, he could do anything. This guy. I get it. I know where that comes from. But just saying, a little bit scared of snakes and things that kill you. So there's that. Like, well, there's probably more than that, but alright, there's some other restaurant here. But I could hear water before, but looking over there, chopper, no water. Banana shakes. Wow, I don't think that's opening. Or open. There's no one there. Once again, tourism gone wrong. That's the problem, see? They're tapping into this fucking waterfall and taking all the water. Excuse me. Well, there's an arrow and a sign. Sign, everywhere a sign. Something's better breaking my mind. Sign, everywhere a sign. Looking at the scenery, breaking my mind. Something. What does that say? Oh, is 230 metres. Fuck, that's a quarter of a mile, a quarter of a kilometre. almost. And up that way, straight up. Well, we've come this far. Let's do it. Just heard the noise then, and I don't know if you can still hear it. No. It was like a rumbling growl. And then I looked, and I could see like a black panther shape over there. And it was going through the bushes. Okay, it was about the size of a house cat. But it doesn't mean it was a cat. It could have easily been a panther. You know what I mean? A short panther. Like a midget panther. Could have been. Can't confirm that because I didn't see it long enough, to be honest. So let's just call it a panther for the sake of the argument. That was a panther. Yeah. And they're kind of natural stairs, these, aren't they? Like the way Mother Nature's just made a staircase for us. Said, hey, some idiot might want to come up here one day making a YouTube video. Let's just put in some natural stairs, said Mother Nature. She had nothing else to do one day. Well, thank you, Mother Nature. And God. And that panther back there. You probably had something to do with it. Miniature panther. Getting kind of ridiculous, but we'll keep at it. And you know what? I was just thinking, if I need to do a wee, is it like... Are you allowed to do it in the forest? I don't know. Is it bad? I don't know. I didn't read the fine etiquette on walking in a jungle forest. But I guess if it's that old saying, if you wee in the jungle and nobody hears it, did it really happen? I don't know. Like that's a tall, both of them are tall trees. Look at that thing. What's that? I would say that's ancient native stuff. Voodoo, probably. Far out. Okay, going a little bit downhill. But it's funny. It lures you in. 1 minute, you go flat, and then next minute, a little bit down, and then back up to the mountaineering. I'm wearing my shoes, sponsored by Swift. Get your Swift shoes. I'll leave a link there. Thanks for supporting me and sponsoring most of this trip. 6 months. Yeah, there's a waterfall. I couldn't have done it without you, Swift. Swifties. I think there's a singer called Swift. And they're Swifties, but I think they copied the shoes.
What about it?
back at that sign coming down. Don't believe that. There's no way. From here, it's probably 55 minutes. And as you've seen what it was like, pretty damn hard. So, was it worth it? Yeah, pretty much. But don't believe the sign. If you're not fit, don't even try it, because you won't make it.